see. Do it again. Roll down your window, Lane. What are you doing? Hey, your neighbors are gonna come. They're gonna get mad. What are you doing? Do it. Hey, do it.
Okay, Max, that's enough.
Do it with your hand. Do it with your hand. He can't figure out how to do it pushing, huh? It's a horn, but it's big enough.
Okay, Max, that's enough. That's enough. Max, get off the horn. You never figured out that horn there. Get back. You're gonna get. People get mad.
Get really mad.
They get mad. You keep blowing that horn. Don't blow that horn. You're gonna hurt your head.
Max, stop. The neighbor's gonna come. They're gonna call the police. Shh. The police are gonna come.
Throw the horn there. Come out.
Go to jail.
Don't throw the horn.
We don't want to go to jail. No jail. No police. No jail.
You better hide.
You better hide. Oh, no, Max. No, they call 911. We go to jail. Shh, police. Shh. Where the police?
Look, he's coming.
Ooh, they're coming.
You can blow your horn now.